Erwin's Yacht Service provides yacht refit services in beautiful Rio Dulce, Guatemala. One of our unique services is the design and fabrication of laser CNC electrical panels. Our panels can be created as a replacement to an existing panel or a complete custom new design. Our facilities include 2 CNC laser machines, each with unique features to meet the requirements of the specific project design. Our diode laser can be used for more delicate work on wood or plastic material. Our CO2 laser is more powerful and can be used for wood, plastic, or acrylic up to 1/2 inch in thickness. Here are some of our recent projects. As you can see, these engine instrument panels have seen some sun and weather exposure and are in need of replacement. First, we measure and copy the design of the panel to make a perfect match. We then use the laser to cut a test mock-up out of 3/16 plywood. We overlay that to the original to be sure that we have everything as an exact fit, and that all the lettering and graphics are correct. If we are installing new updated equipment, we fit it into the mock-up to be sure the cutout is a good fit. Once everything is confirmed correct, we cut the final product out of plastic or acrylic. We have many different plastic and acrylic materials to choose from. Here you see brushed copper with black lettering, black with white lettering, and white with black lettering. We also can make panels with an acrylic material that is clear on the front side and coated with a color material on the back side. With this material, we cut the lettering and graphics on the back. Then we can put electroluminescent light panels on the back to light the lettering and graphics. This material is also available in a wide range of colors, including metallic finishes. We are not limited to only electrical panels. We can design, make, and cut, or engrave just about anything that is made of wood, plastic, or acrylic. If you would like to know more about our laser CNC services, or any of the other yacht refit services provided by Erwin's Yacht Service, you can give us a call or WhatsApp at 4589-5875, or stop by and see our facilities at Captain John's Marina. We look forward to serving you.